Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is your boy DEFI again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel again. This is day number 6 in DeFi staking platform, and this thing is just growing like crazy. So if I'm to look at the auction here, yesterday's auction closed at 14 million Tron inside the contract, which is pretty good. So remember, we started from 4.006 million. On day 2, it went to 4.022. Day 3, it went to 5.8. Day 4, 9 million. Day 5, 14.3 million. So there is a very big difference between day 4 and day 5. So, and today, the auction has just started. You can see here only 21 hours to go for it to end. And there is already 862,000 Tron that's already entered into the contract. So we never know what will happen today. It might either be more than this 14 million, or it might be less than by the 14 million, but I think it's gonna be more than the 14 million, because according to this past trend, it has just been increasing each day. And the number of Tron that you use to buy a DSP token also is gonna increase. So it means that the DSP token is earning value if you had to look at the previous trend here. So on day 1, we got 0.624 DSP token per Tron. So on day 2, it went on reducing. Day 3, it reduced also. Day 4, it reduced. Check the difference here from 0.42 to 0.256. So there is a very big difference here, and again another big difference from here up to here. So meaning that the more money, the more Tron that comes into the contract, the less the DSP value per Tron. So today we never know where it will stop. So I would suggest you guys who are not yet here, you come and join, use your Tron, you buy that DSP token, you stake the token, and in the end, it gives you Tron dividends, and also your DSP token gains value. So that you can see that from the staking platform here. It is populating. Let's refresh and see. So these are my active stakes. As you can see here, this was my first stake. It was for 15,000, and I was given 9.828 K, and that one got me this amount of shares, and so far these are the dividends I've got out of these shares. So you can see from this DSP token that I staked alone on day 1, I've got 91,000 Tron out of it, which is pretty good. And this is the interest that I've got, 337.57. So it means that my staked DSP has earned this interest, and now it is worth 10,000. So this is what I was saying. You get the Tron dividends. So after my 10 days stake, they are over, I'll be able to collect these tokens, or this Tron, to my wallet, and I'll reinvest these DSP tokens so that they can make for me more more Tron dividends. So on day 2, I bought this amount of shares, and they have so far earned me 18,000 Tron, and also increased in value by 57.02. So, which makes it now worth 2.989 instead of 2.932. On day 3, I bought shares worth this, and they have earned me dividends worth 6.4 thousand TRX, and also increased in value by 18.04. So every day I'm buying DSP tokens and I'm staking them the next day. So I'm going to do that today also. So we go to the auction. So in the auction yesterday I bought some tokens and they are available for collection. I bought them worth 3,500 Tron. So if I click on the collect button, they are going to go from this 600. It's going to go from the auction and it will go in the staking lobby where I can stake them for more dividends. So if I click on collect, it pops my wallet. I accept in the wallet. Then it is just gone. As you can see, it shows it has ended. So I go in my staking platform. It should appear here. As you can see, it is already there. So I'm gonna stake all of it. 175. Number of days, I'm staking for 10 days. 10 days. So you can see it tells you that I'm staking on the 6th day, but it will start counting on the 7th day when this timer goes to 0. And it will finish on the 18th day. So I stake, brings my wallet, I accept in the wallet. As you can see here, I've staked for 10 days. So here you bring in your Tron here, you guys, you can stake any amount of Tron that you want, and you can stake for any amount of days that you want. There is no limit here on the number of days that you can stake. But remember, the higher the days that you stake, the more bonus day rewards that you get here. For every 5 days, if I'm to check the feature here, what's the reward day? They say that every stake will get a bonus day every 5 days. Stakes get 2 times interest on bonus days. For example, creating and stake on day 4 for 15 days gives the stake 3 bonus days on day 10, 15, and 20. So the more days you stake, the more bonus days that you'll get. So on the 5th day, I'll get some reward here. So that's it, guys. First refresh this page here and see. So as you can see it here, it is already in waiting. So when this timer goes to 0, this one will start also earning dividends. And the next day, I'll be able to find something here in terms of dividends. So if I'm to calculate my dividends, which I've earned here, just calculate it and see here. So this one will be 91.412 plus 18.7652 plus 6.4732 gives me that. If I'm to multiply it by 1000, so I've so far earned dividends worth 116,650 Tron in just a matter of days from my Tron that I've staked into the platform. So this, if we can change it to Tron USD, let's try to convert USD and see here what we get. Use a converter here. How much was it? Sorry. Now let me use this converter for CoinGecko. So paste it here, this amount of Tron to USD, and we see. You can even see the value of Tron is increasing here, guys. Invest in Tron. You never know where the future might be. So see, this amount of Tron is equal to this amount in US dollars. So something good is happening here. So it's worth $50,137 US, which is good. It's a good deal for the number of days that I've only staked my Tron. So DSP, it is a new platform that is growing pretty well. Guys, come stake your DSP here and earn more rewards like what I've done here. So for those of you who missed T2X, just come and revenge from here, because this platform is growing like crazy. Guys, I'm going to buy also some Tron here, some DSP tokens, and stake them. So you enter the auction lobby here, but first look at this jump here from 5 million to 9 million, difference of 4 million, from 9 million to 14 million, no difference of 5 million. So never know where today we are going to stop here. So let me stake some no, let me first increase here. There is little Tron in the wallet. There is only 1,000. Let me first add there some. I have my wallet here, which has some. Yes, let me add 1.5. So it has been received 1,180. Is it? Yeah. So I'm going to buy for 2,600 now. So I'm entering the auction lobby and I'm buying Tron worth 2,600. I'm entering the auction lobby. So accepting the wallet, and this has been successfully entered into the lobby. So it should appear here after some time, as you can see. So that's it, guys. For those of you who want to join, you can use my link here. and join the platform, you get a reward for it. So in